really cute big one, but then it's gonna cover the ombres and you're gonna be mad at me because I covered the ombre part. So I'm gonna get 3 beads, 1 2 3, maybe a little bit smaller. All you need to do is pick up the beads that you prefer. I'm gonna place it right there, and 1 2 and 3 with some leaves, and I will leave the ombre as it is because it's so gorgeous. I'm not ready to cover it yet, even though it's a lot of videos I also cover them. It looks so adorable. So if you're using this with your gloves, great. If not, make sure you wipe off your residues of the gels off from your hand. So I am going to using the 3D door brush. One end, it is perfect for your 3D flower using liquid and powder, and then the other end is will help you is master yours, like masterpiece of the 3D, like anything 3D flowers, 3D nail art, 3D anything that you are going to do, and then it worked perfect with the 5D gels and also omega gels. So only you need nothing, just it, no even alcohol at all. And we're gonna go ahead and like getting them too close and spread it one, and using the tip of it to kind of press it down and then kind of pull and guide it. And you don't have to get it perfect yet. You're gonna do another one, same thing. You give it a little bit of outline first, and then now you're gonna go ahead and using the whole, keep it flat down because it will shape like 45-degree angle like that. So then that way when you press it down, it's created really nice like natural like crease for your petals. And then you can have your petals long, long like pointy, or you want to be like more rounded, however shape you are going to do or your clients prefer. So I'm going to press it down. And it's really cool about this and unique about 40 gel. If you are feeling like you need extra of your 40, add some more, add some on it and start molding it. And or if you don't like it, you can definitely pick them up because it's not dry yet. So it's still like in, you know, the form of wet, even though 40 gel is not dry until you're going to key it under LED lights. So you have time to perfect it, to adjusting it, to do however you want it to be. Okay, just a couple of cute little petals right there, and that's it. And if you want, we're gonna flash key it first, and then we add some crystal on. Okay, or if you want to add the crystal, I'm gonna do one step at a time. Okay, so do this first.